Forces out. One slow out. That's Manapla. Jupiter Thunder beginning nicely at a start. Moving up now on the outside is Dayang. Racing in third down on the inside Main Machine. And on the outside comes number 3 Speedy Kim and Manapla in that order. And going along for the first turn this time, 2 entries now fighting it out for the lead. Moving up on the outside is Dayang. Down on the inside Jupiter Thunder. Rushing up on the outside is Speedy Kim to take the lead. It's now Speedy Kim by a length and a half. Jupiter Thunder drives back in second. Alongside now is Main Machine. Manapla now moving up by the rail to take fourth. Alongside is Dayang. And fourth turn we have Speedy Kim followed by Jupiter Thunder. Main Machine is on the outside. Dayang remains in four and Manapla. We have Jupiter Thunder, Speedy Kim in the middle. Main Machine is on the outside. And far behind is Dayang and Manapla. As they come down the last 200, Speedy Kim is by the rail. And on the outside moving up now is Main Machine. Last 100 meters of the race. The lead now belongs to Main Machine by our half length, and finally Main Machine is Speedy Kim, Jupiter Thunder, Manapla, and Dayang.
And there you saw the instant replay as jockey J.A. Guse comes back on top of the unofficial winner Main Machine with quarter clocking, so 7.5, 27.